Sir, it's sunny. Very
It's
sunny.
sunny. You, Aisha?
Sir, but it will rain. It was
So,
sunny in the afternoon, but it will rain.
Acha, Aisha, you live in India, na? India?
Sir, I'm not in India.
Acha.
I'm in Riyadh.
Okay, you are in Riyadh. So it's almost like it's a kind of rainy season there.
No, it's hot, but suddenly the weather changed.
Got changed.
So it
Chalo,
will
that's
rain
good.
like
That's the rahmat of Allah that r-
yeah.
rain is going to happen. So that's good. Mariam, where do you live, dear?
Sir, UAE.
UAE, Dubai.
Alain.
Alena, अच्छा हाँ यार actually you are the only one that's like मुझे याद नहीं रहता.
Ah,
Okay,
yes, sir.
चलो कोई because I've asked so many times about your place that where do you live in like where is
Yes,
your
sir. Sir, it's
like
okay.
I remember most of the student but like you I thought that you live in Saudi so that's
Ah,
why chalo that's good chalo that's good Alain. Okay. Okay. So Aisha and Mariam, so ray image formation, how like any doubt so far, dear? Please tell me. In the image
no, sir.
formation of the spherical mirrors, either converging or diverging, like concave and convex.
No, sir.
Sure,
Yes, sir.
Uh,
definitely.
sir,
Huh.
sir, you told that you will take extra class for
Yes, Aisha,
that
I will
topic.
take. Yes, I will take because like it's due to some issues I was not able to conduct, but I will take it. No worries.
Okay, sir.
The topic which we are going to start today na, that will be completely independent and you won't be feeling any like you don't need any previous topic for that. A little bit need is required but in the like I will tell you the concept that is required in the class itself today. Okay, I will
Okay,
keep
sir.
yeah, I will take you extra classes, don't worry dear, just be relaxed, I will take you extra classes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, chalo koi baat nahi. So okay, chalo, that's good. Just wait a little bit so that because I just wanted to like I think some of the students are not have not joined so far. So let's wait. So these image formations are very important. Okay, Aisha, I will take one more class. So I will cover this portion as well. Don't worry about it. I will I will
Yes, sir.
basically call you in that class. So please join that class. Okay, I will take this topic like one more time because I think you missed the concave part. You have done the convex, but I will because convex is very
Yes, sir.
small. So basically concave part is main. So I have to ultimately take that part for you. So I will take it. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir.
Don't worry. I will try to schedule your class as early as possible. Like due to some reasons, I was not able to conduct in the last 2 days, few days. So that okay,
Okay.
yeah. But this concept is very important, Aisha and Mariam. Okay, that's why I've taken 2 classes just for this small topic because it is very crucial to understand the image formation as well as the you can say the like you can say actual reflection of light. Okay. So that's why, Aisha, when I will like for what you can do is that dear, like I will ask the management to share the recording of this lecture so that before coming to the class, just at least watch the recording with a normal using the like just skim the video at least so that you can have the idea what we are doing in the lecture. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
I will share you the playlist, the lectures that I've taken so far. So just go
Okay.
through those lectures and at least gather some knowledge you can say about 10 to 20%, even 30% if you got that if you get the concept na, so that will be much easier for you to basically grasp and understand the thing because I will take all the things that I've covered in the batch, so I will take as it is with you as well. Don't worry about it, I will not miss anything. We will do everything from scratch as well in with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just be relaxed. Okay. So that's good. Okay, just a second. So basically, mirror formula is the kind of you can say that it is the implementation or the application of image formations of spherical mirrors. Somehow not proper application, but a little bit related to each other. But okay, so I will take like will just a second. Let me ask that somebody is joining or not. Okay, so like is this both of you like are you going to schools?
No, sir.
Sir,
School will reopen after Eid holidays.
Okay, okay. What about you, Aisha?
sir, same.
Same. Chalo, that's good. Like, okay, okay. Other son.
Sir, are we going to get a holiday for Eid?
Yes, yes. You will get a heat holiday. Don't worry about it.
Yes, because
Maybe.
on 9th I'm going to Makkah.
Okay, mashallah. That's good.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. So that's
So you are going to basically celebrate the Eid in Masjid Al Haram.
yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. That's a very good thing. You're very lucky. That's good. Okay, that's good. So we will like you will get the Eid holiday. Don't worry about it. Because I think
Okay,
on
sir.
what is on 9th? Let me check. Because we have classes with on Saturday. So 9th, like yeah, 9th is a Tuesday. So you will be having like it seems that you will be having holiday 10th. I'm sure that 10th will be the holiday. 9th, I'm not sure, but yeah. So you can basically confirm from the management like whether the 9th
Okay,
April is
okay.
holiday or not. But 10th is I'm actually sure because in the Middle East 10th is the Eid, na? I think so. Like but
Sir,
basically it
it's not
depend
confirmed,
confirmed yet.
but I think so 10th.
Because it depends totally on the you can say the chand. So but
Yes, sir.
yeah, chalo koi baat nahi. So
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll be knowing.
acha, so we'll get to know that day
Yes,
after tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow is 8th. Okay, okay. Chalo,
Yes,
theek
sir.
hai. That's good. So uh, okay, before like Eid al Mubarak to all of you. Before like I don't think so that we will be having class before Eid. So in advance,
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you,
Same
sir.
here.
Thank you, sir.
Jazakallah. Okay, that's good. Khair Mubarak. Okay, chalo. Let's start the class. Okay. So first of all, the thing that I was telling you. Okay, so this is the application. So we are so mirror formula. Okay, so let me tell you mirror formula. So mirror formula is a kind of relationship between focal length, image distance, and object distance. It's a kind of relationship to basically establish the relationship between these three quantities or these three terms. First is focal length, second is object distance, third is image distance. Clear, everybody? Mariam, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these three are very important things. So okay, in this mirror formula. So this mirror formula is totally based on this thing. Okay. So I'm writing it the mirror formula, but basically mirror formula is so Aisha, do you know what is U, V, and F?
No, sir.
No, chalo, koi baat nahi. I will give you the notations name as well. Mariam, do you know, bache?
No, sir, which one?
This what basically F is, what basically U is, what basically V is.
Office frequency.
Nah, in the mirror, in the like in the light chapter.
Pole. No, yeah.
बताओ बताओ.
F is.
Focal length.
Yes, sir.
I think you didn't revise before coming to the class, both of you. Like both, not both of you, because Aisha, like the last class was the first class for Aisha. But just a second, can you please give me a second, bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody. So okay, so basically, just a second, let me set. Yeah. So this is the 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the mirror formula. Okay. So, and we have to use the proper sign convention. I will tell you why. So I will tell you the sign convention as well before basically like doing the numericals. So basically we have to use the use proper sign convention. Sign. Okay, use proper sign convention. I will tell you why do we use proper sign convention. Okay, everybody. So this is the mirror formula. Okay, let me tell you what FU and V is. F is the focal length of mirror. Okay. And basically focal length do have basically negative and positive depending on the mirror. Mariam, have you written down that which one is positive, which one is negative? I've told you in the image formation class. Do you remember? If you have written it down in your notes. Aisha, Mariam, sorry. Chalo, koi baat.
Then what?
No, nothing. Mariam, I'm asking from Mariam Bache.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking that, do you know which mirror is positive and which one is negative? Like the focal length of which mirror is positive and which one is negative?
Concave is positive
Acha, okay.
and
Then
convex
convex.
is negative.
I think you would have you written down that I've basically told you in the start of this chapter. So converging mirror, focal length of concave mirror is negative. I think you
Okay, sir.
didn't revise. Always revise, everybody, before coming to the class, because we have only one class of physics in the in the week itself. So if you don't like basically revise that, so what will happen is that I will teach you, you will learn, but if for the whole week, if you don't revise at least or practice, you won't be able to understand the things properly, or ultimately you will forget everything. Okay, so it's better to revise like in the content, like in the equal, like you can say uniform interval, so that you can understand and you can say have to remember, you can remember all the things. Okay, so focal length I will give you. Okay, okay. So for Aisha, write it down dear please, that focal length of concave mirror is negative and focal length of convex mirror is positive. Just at least write it down. I will give you the explanation in the extra class, because without any ray diagram you won't be able to
Sir, can
understand
you
the
repeat
things.
once again?
I'm saying that okay, basically I'm showing you the thing. So write down the second point. The focal length of concave mirror is negative and convex mirror is positive.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Then Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mariam, have you written it down here before, like in the previous classes? I
Yes,
think
sir.
so.
Yes.
So that's why revision is very important. Okay. So कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So F is equals to focal length. F is denoting focal length. It is the point at which the rays converge, right? U is basically object distance. Object distance means at like how far the object is basically from the mirror. Okay, Aisha and Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose that this is the mirror and object is placing it. So this distance will be called as object distance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
So V is basically the image distance. Just a second. Image distance. Image distance means at how how far the image is forming from the mirror. Similar to the object distance. So in all the cases, object distance will be negative. All the cases, irrespective of the mirror, all the cases will be having negative object distance. Why? I will tell you but image distance will vary. It can be positive or negative. Clear? Same to the focal length. Focal length can be positive and negative. Similarly, image distance can be positive as well as negative. Clear, बच्चों?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So this is the fundamentals of the plane mirror. Okay. So not plane mirror, mirror formula, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's understand how do we identify whether the whether the you can say that in which direction image will be positive and object distance sorry focal will be negative. I will tell you why. Okay. So basically, let's take this one sign convention. This is the sign convention that I'm telling you. It is applicable for mirror as well as the lenses, because lenses are also going to be there in the later part of the chapter when we will do the refraction. Okay, same is applicable for the lenses. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
Mariam,
sir.
Aisha. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this line is called as principal axis. This is the main line. You can say the main line of this. So this is called principal axis. Okay. And one more thing, I'm not drawing any specific mirror. Like I'm not drawing any concave mirror or convex. I'm basically taking it as general. So I'm assuming that this point is as pole. Pole is the middlemost point of the spherical mirrors. Okay, middlemost point. This plane, principal axis passes through the pole of the mirror. It means that the middlemost point, like this. I think the last class, Aisha, you were there, so I think you remember this thing, pole. Okay. So pole
Yes,
is the
sir.
middlemost point. I'm not taking any specific mirror, so because that will basically cause a little bit more confusion. So just to avoid that thing, I'm assuming that this is the pole of the mirror. Okay. And what you will do is that, so basically the direction of light that we assume is this. Okay, in the right hand direction. Clear? So this is the direction of we assume this direction as positive. Okay, we assume this direction as positive. Yes or no, Aisha and Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Sure. So always light basically starts from the, so if the light is, we assume that light is traveling in this direction before reflection. Okay, because obviously light will change its path if when reflection is happening. Yes or no? So we
Yes,
assume
sir.
that this is the direction of light, that is in the rightward direction. So whenever the ray is going in the leftward direction, what will be the sign of the what will be the sign of the quantity, whether it's
Negative.
negative, whether it's object distance or image distance or focal length. Okay. So basically opposite direction of light. So opposite direction of light is basically negative. Clear, everybody? Please tell me, is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So it means that if the light ray is going in this direction, so it will be considered as positive. If the light ray is going in this direction, it will be considered as negative. And one more thing is that we always measure the distance from the pole. Pole is just like the origin. You have coordinate system you have studied in the 9th class, coordinate geometry.
Yes, sir.
This is the origin. We always start from this. We always go in all the directions from the origin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you can assume this thing, pole is the origin for the calculations. Okay. So pole is the origin of this calculation. Suppose object is placed here. Object is placed here, right? So if the object is placed here, so I'm starting from pole, so I'm going in the direction of light or in the opposite direction of light? Yes or Mariam and Aisha, tell me.
Sir, opposite.
Opposite. Mariam, Aisha said opposite. Mariam, आप बताओ.
Sir, opposite.
I'm going from pole to this point. Pole to this point. In the direction or in the opposite or in the direction? Which one?
In the direction.
Sure. Final answer. Give me the final answer, Mariam.
Okay, sir, in the direction.
In the direction. Ajay, how can you say that? Because I'm starting from pole and this is the object. So I'm going in this direction, dekho. So this is the opposite direction of light. If I'm traveling in this direction, bolo.
Opposite.
Opposite, na? So this distance will be,
Opposite, sir.
this very good, Aisha. Okay. So this is O. I'm assuming this is object. So this will be U. And if we are going from this to this, so this will be negative U, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Suppose image is also forming on the same side. So image distance will be negative or positive? Suppose image is
Sir,
also
can you
formed.
repeat?
I'm saying that image is also forming here. Suppose in real and inverted image is formed like this. So, okay. So now tell me the image distance will be negative or positive? Yes, Mariam
Sir,
and Aisha.
positive.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है मरियम आप बताओ.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Negative होगा ना? Negative. देखो, I'm starting from pole and this is the image distance. I'm going in the leftward direction. If the image is forming in front of the mirror, so image obviously negative होगी. Image distance will be negative ना? Because I'm starting from pole. Pole से start होगा. I'm going in this direction because image is forming here. Yes or no, everybody? Aisha and
Yes, sir.
Mariam. Clear? Now I hope you got my point.
Sir, I thought you were asking from origin to the object.
No. Origin to the no. This is not origin. This is object. O means object.
Okay.
Okay. Just let me write it down. Object. Okay. This is object, not origin. This is, I'm assuming
sir.
this is as origin. Clear, bache?
Yes, sir.
So this is P. So it means that image forming on the same side of the object, it will be negative. Suppose image is forming here. Suppose. Now tell me, image distance will be positive or negative? Mariam, Aisha, now tell me. I'm starting from pole. I'm going in the direction of light.
Sir, positive.
So it
Sir,
will be positive. Very good. So it will be positive. Okay, it will be positive. Clear? And assuming that this is so I'm telling you again. So if the object is like if the image is forming here, so it would be negative V. Clear? So I'm also marking this as the negative V. Clear? This is I. Okay. So negative V. This is smaller one. This is bigger one. Clear, everybody? Please tell me. Is this clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more thing. If the object is placed above the principal axis, it will be considered as positive. It means that the height will be taken as positive. Okay. So upright.
Okay.
Upright will be positive. And if the image is below the principal axis, it will be downward. So it will be considered as negative. Clear? Only the negative and positive sign is to show that the direction of light, whether we are going in the direction of light or in the opposite direction of light. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Inverted. Okay. So this will be inverted and positive. I hope so it's clear so far. Please tell me any doubt so far. Aisha and Mari.
No, sir.
Sure?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, okay, that's good. Okay. Now one thing comes into the picture as well that, okay. So, okay, so this is all about the, you can say these sign convention. So, it means that we have to use the negative as well as the positive. Whatever is the sign of the quantity is given to you, you have to use that. Okay, if the focal length is negative, so this term is positive, but when you substitute the focal length as -10, so it will become negative. So you have to use the sign as well with the in the formula. Okay, everybody.
Yes,
Maria,
sir.
man, clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
Chalo, ठीक है. Very good. Now, next thing is basically, let's understand one more topic is very important to understand, that is linear magnification. So basically, linear magnification is the quantity, is the kind of, you can say, thing that gives you the idea whether the image is diminished, whether the image is equal size, whether the image is enlarged. Clear? So it means that linear magnification is the term which gives you the idea whether the image is positive, enlarged, diminished, or same size. Clear? So if we talk about the definition, so the ratio, so it's basically nothing but it's the formula definition, the ratio of image distance just a second. Image distance to the object distance. Is called, what it is called, Mariam and Aisha?
Linear magnification.
Linear magnification.
Okay, linear magnification. I hope so it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now if you understand just now linear magnification for the mirror case. So basically two linear magnification. So there are two cases for linear magnification. So if you are talking about the mirror case, so I'm writing it here mirror case specifically. So please remember this mirror case because there is a little bit confusion in mirror as well as the lenses. So the formula is same, only the difference is the basically the sign difference. So mirror case, I'm specifically writing mirror case. Okay. So m is the denotation is equals to minus of v by u. So you have to use the sign convention as well. Okay, Aisha and Mariam.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Use proper sign convention. It means that if the image distance is negative, so you have to substitute negative image distance irrespective of this negative sign. Negative sign is already there in the formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yeah. So this is the mirror formula. So now let me tell you. So I'm taking a general thing that magnitude. Magnitude means only the number. So basically, this negative sign tells you like whether if the image ultimately the after calculation, if the image sorry, if the magnification is coming out negative. So negative means the image is real and inverted. Clear, Nabil, Aisha and Mariam? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the image, if the magnification is positive, so if the magnification is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Let me write it here. Okay. So this the negative sign of the magnification is basically is the significance of the real and inverted, and the negative positive sign is the significance of the virtual and erect. Okay. signifies the virtual and erect image. Okay. Second point is negative magnification signifies this only the sign meaning. This is only the meaning of sign, not it is that this will not affect the number. Okay.
Sir, but how to get positive or negative magnification?
I will tell you now. We will do the numericals, Aisha, when you will get to know that.
Okay.
Let's complete this theory. Then, like this is the only theory that is left. So then we will do that. Okay. Negative magnification signifies the real and inverted image. So basically now suppose that Nabila or Aisha and Mariam, so -3 is there and +1 is there. So +1 is also +2, +3 ले लेते हैं. So here -3 is not small. It does not mean -3 is small. You will also like feel that -3 is obviously small because it's less than 0. But negative is showing you the real and inverted feature, and 3 is the magnification. Is mean that the object is downwards in the like the image is real and inverted and enlarged. Okay, Aisha and Mariam. And if we talk about the +3, so +3 means the magnification is same, only the object is above the principal axis. This is the difference. It does not affect that. It does not, this negative sign does not affect on the magnitude. This means magnitude means the value of the number. Clear? Only the negative and positive sign is to determine whether the image is real and inverted or virtual and erect. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Mariam, Aisha, is this clear? Okay. Now,
Yes,
Mariam
sir.
and Aisha, if I say that, suppose I'm taking the magnitude, this is called mod. Mod means I'm taking only the number. I'm not considering sign. Sign only tells you the significance of the real and inverted or virtual and erect, right? So, but
Yes.
I'm basically ignoring the sign. I'm telling just that, and we are basically focusing on the number. It means that what is if the magnification is 3. If you don't consider the sign, I'm sorry, suppose that question is saying -3. The negative saying that real inverted, 3 means magnified. So if I'm only considering the number, so let's, on the basis of that, let's understand. So magnification is less than 1 on the basis of number. Specifically, I'm telling you, this means that only magnitude, the number value, not the sign value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the magnification is less than 1, then the image will be diminished. Diminish means point size.
Very fast.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is if the image is equals to 1. Image, if the magnification is equals to 1, what does it mean? Can anybody tell me?
The image will be the same size as the object.
Yes, object. Very good. Okay. Third is magnification is greater than 1. What does it mean?
Sir,
Image is
image is
larger than the object.
Very good. Image will be enlarged. Very good, both of you. So I'm just telling you the meaning of the number. Okay. The sign meaning is already given you to you. Yes or no? Mariam, is this clear, bache?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, that's good. Just a second. Let's wait for Aisha because Aisha, I think. Okay, Aisha, are you there?
Yes, sir. I was disconnected.
कोई बात नहीं. I think some network issues were there.
Yes.
चलो, just a second. Okay. So now let's understand now. Is this clear to you, yes or no, Mariam and Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aisha, you
Yes,
can
sir.
see this thing that this is very independent thing that I'm basically teaching you. Okay. So whatever
Yes,
is
sir.
related a little bit in the from the previous topic, I will explain it to you
Okay.
right there. Okay. Don't worry about it. I hope
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear to all of you. Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so let me take one question to understand the thing that you how you will implement or basically this mirror formula, right? Just a second. Yes, so I've taken some questions in the class itself. Okay, so this is the first question that we are going to discuss in the class. Okay, just a second. So this is the first question. Okay, so now let's understand how do we apply. Okay, solution. This is a very important topic, both of you. I'm telling you, every time in boards, at least 2 or 3 marker question comes from this only topic. It means that 24 is the total marks or 25 is the total marks of the physics weightage in the boards itself. And 3 marker is directly or 2 marker is directly from this chapter, from this topic, not from this chapter, directly from this topic. Every year, every year.
Okay.
So how you can understand what is the importance of this? Like it means that like you are getting at least 10 like 3 marks is there, almost like you are getting 6 to 7% from the one question itself. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why this is a very important topic. So please and please, I'm requesting you revise again and again. I will give you some. You will also receive some homework questions. Okay, please practice those as well. If not, if you are
Okay.
not able to solve them, we will discuss in the class itself. Don't worry about it. Okay. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Now the question. Let's analyze the question part by part. Then we will move forward. Okay. Find the size, nature, and position of image. It means that it is asking 3 things. We will break all the 3 things of the image formed when the object of 1 centimeter is placed at a distance. Object of 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter is the height of the object. Clear? Achha, one more thing I just forgot to mention that just a second. Okay. So basically one more ratio, basically formula is there, that is, so magnification can also be written as h dash by h. H dash means image height. H means object height. Okay. Image height by object height can be written as magnification as well. Yes or no, Aisha and Mariam? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this is also the ratio. This is also the ratio. And if suppose that instead of magnification, you have given with the value of image distance and object distance, and the object height is given. So you have to find the image height. So what you will do, you will equate both the ratios to get the height of the image, right? Just
Sir, can you explain once again?
So I am saying that if the image, suppose that in some of the question, image distance is given to you, object distance is given to you, height of the object is given to you. Clear? So sometimes question says that please find the image height. So what you will do is that you will equate both the values to find the image height. Clear?
Yes,
We
sir.
will do in the question itself. We will do it. Don't worry. We will do this question. We will do this.
Sir, but
You can.
why both?
Why both means?
Why do we equate it both the equations?
Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. इस question में हम लोग यही करेंगे. Don't worry. ठीक है? You will get like you will understand why do we equate both the things. Clear, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Mariam, is it clear to you, dear? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. That's good. ठीक है. So now I'm h height of the object is given as 1 centimeter. So it is h. That is 1 centimeter. ठीक है? Or whenever the question says size of the object, it means that it is saying height of the object. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, ठीक है. Is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, it means that question is saying that it is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from a mirror. It means that the object distance is given as 15 centimeter. So will it be negative or positive, Mariam and Aisha?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Okay. Now the focal length of concave mirror is 10 centimeter. And one more thing, the question will not say what is the question will just say will give you the you can say the idea of will mention only the type of mirror. It will not tell you that whether it is positive focal length or negative. It will give you the number. You have to understand, you have to revise that, remember that which one is negative, which one is positive. So concave mirror is there, so focal length will be positive or negative?
Negative.
Aisha? Negative. Aisha?
Negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative.
Very good. 10 centimeter. Okay. So now I have
Yes.
U, I have F, right? I have U, I have F. I have to calculate. The question is saying position of image. Position of image means image distance. It is asking to calculate the image distance. Clear, everybody? So now I'm going to apply the mirror formula, that is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V, 1 by U. Okay. So 1 by F is basically 1 by 10 minus of 1 by 10. Is equals to 1 by V is 1 by V because we don't know the value. Negative, it means if you basically substitute if you basically write the positive and negative of 15, 1 by 15. Okay. So now you can, so basically if you open the bracket, Aisha and Mariam, so ultimately this positive will become negative, yes or no? Bolo?
Negative.
Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
negative of 1 by 15. Okay. So this 1 by V will be equals to, sorry, 1 by V minus of 1 by 15 is equals to negative of 1 by 10. Okay. So 1 by 15 will go on the right hand side because I have to simplify na. So 1 by V
Yes.
will be equals to 1 by 15 will become positive negative of 1 by 10. Clear, everybody? Yes or no? So now what I will do is that Aisha and Mariam, so 1 by V is there, is equals to, I will cross multiply them because you have the option to basically take the LCM. But I'm not going to take LCM because if you take the LCM, that will basically ultimately increase your calculations. But if you directly cross multiply, you will have the factors already. Okay, you don't you can easily reduce them. But when you have the bigger number, suppose this is a smaller number, but when you will have the bigger number of the in the denominator, so it would be easier, it would be difficult to reduce it. So instead of taking LCM, I prefer taking the cross multiplication method, right? And I always suggest you to take the cross multiplication and just avoid the LCM because it will take a little bit time. So 15 into 10 because denominator gets multiplied in the cross multiplication, and this 10 will multiply with this, 15 will multiply with this. Yes or no, Aisha and Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 by V will be equals to divided by 15 into 10 divided minus 5 in the numerator because 10 minus 15. This will cancel this twice. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by V will be equals to negative 1 will be there because in the numerator nothing is left instead of 1. So divided by 15 into 2, 30. Right?
13.
So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
see this thing, Mariam and Aisha. Now again, you have reciprocals, yes or no? So what you can do is that you can multiply, cross multiply again, or you can just invert it. Okay. If you invert this, this will also get invert, right? This is the sign, this is the rule of the maths. If you are reciprocal, if you're taking the inverse of this, you have to take the inverse of this as well. Okay. So if you take the inverse of both the sides, so what you will get is V is equals to minus 30 centimeter. Clear, Aisha, Mariam? Please tell me, is this clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can see this thing. The image is forming in front of the mirror because the negative sign is there. Yes or no, Aisha and Mariam? Negative
Yes, sir.
sign, when you will have, when the negative sign appears in the calculation, when the image, when the object is image is forming in front of the mirror. If suppose that this is the mirror, object is like this, and mirror some image somehow यहाँ बन रही है आपकी in the inverted form. You can see. Pole start from here, so it is the image distance. This is object distance, so both will be negative. Mariam, Aisha, yes or
sir.
no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So I hope it's clear to all or both of you.
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
so far?
No, sir.
Chalo, okay, that's great. So now we have found the position of image, right? Now it's time to basically find the nature of the image as well. So nature of the image, you will get to know that if the image distance for a concave mirror is negative. So in all the case, like whenever for in the mirror, whenever the image distance is negative, so it will be basically the image is real and inverted. In one case only of the concave mirror, image distance is positive. That is the virtual and erect image, right? Let table. Let me give you the idea from the table itself. When the object is placed between focus and pole, behind the mirror image is formed behind the mirror, and that is the virtual and erect image. That is the only case. It means that behind the mirror, because image distance will be positive. Behind the mirror means like this one. I'm starting from pole, I'm going in this direction to get the value of image. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why it will be positive. So but in except all other cases, you can see this thing, image is negative. Pole is here, so image is forming at infinity. So in the same side, you can see polling is here. So I'm going so the numerical that we have solved right now is basically based on this image formation. So object is placed between curvature and F because focal length is 10. Curvature is the twice of focal length. Yes or no, Aisha and Mariam? देखो,
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. Let me tell you as well. So here I'm writing it one more time because in the mirror formula, it's in the image formations, R is basically the 2F. R means radius of curvature. It means that center of curvature is nothing but your R. Okay. So twice of F. This is 10. This is 20. And image is forming as minus 30. It means that beyond C. This is, yeah, beyond C. देखो, beyond C बन रहा है ना? By 15, object is placed between 15.
Yes, sir.
10 से पीछे होगा and 20 से पहले बाद में होगा.
Yes.
ठीक है. So you can, now you got my point. Why this image formation as well as mirror formula is important, Aisha and Mariam?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Aisha, I will don't worry, when you will understand the image formation, you will get to know completely. Don't worry about it. At least calculation you should, like, this is the calculation that you can do as yes or no, dear.
Yes, sir.
So that's okay. I will
Yes.
try to schedule the class in the before Eid. Don't worry. Okay. I'll try to schedule 2 classes before Eid for you. Don't worry. Okay. Because there are some other students as well who I like with whom like I have to give the backup. So I will take all the backup class in a one go. Okay. So I hope this is clear to
Okay.
everybody. Please tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt so far?
No,
Sure.
sir.
Now the image nature will be. Can anybody tell me, is it virtual, erect, real, inverted?
Real and inverted.
Real and inverted. Yes, Aisha and Mariam? Because image is
Yes,
forming
sir.
in front
Yes,
of
sir.
the mirror. In front of the mirror, whenever the image is forming in front of the mirror, it will be real and inverted. Okay. Yeah. So next is, now we have to find the size of the image. Size of the image find out karna. Okay. So now you can see this thing. If you need to find the size of the image, I have the so basically ultimately you have to apply the magnification here. Yes or no, everybody? So minus V by U is equals to H dash by H. So I have V, I have U, I have H. Yes or no? H is given as
Yes,
1
sir.
centimeter. I've told you size of the image, size of the object.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. V already calculated कर लिया. U is already given. I just have, because you can see this thing. both the ratios are equal. देखो ultimately magnification ये भी है, magnification ये भी है. Aisha and Mariam, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can equate
sir.
both the ratios, yes or no, to find the value of height of image.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so I'm going to equate. So minus v by u, just a second, is equals to h dash by h. Okay, now I'm going to substitute the value. Negative sign will already there. Negative 30 divided by negative, sorry, u is given, but it is negative 15. Yes or no, u की value?
Yes,
H
sir.
dash divided by 1. Because height of the image is, why I've taken 1 as positive, bolo, yes. Why I have taken 1 as positive?
Transposed. No.
No, transpose नहीं. I've told you ना, image ऑब्जेक्ट तो हमेशा ऊपर ही रहेगा ना प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के, इररिस्पेक्टिव आपका इमेज डिस्टेंस क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, कहाँ रख रहे हो आप इमेज. तो देखो, अगर इफ आई एम सिटिंग राइट नाउ, इफ आई एम ऑब्जेक्ट, सपोज दिस फ्लोर is you can say is the principal axis, so I am above the principal axis na.
Yes, sir.
Yes or Aishan Mariam?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why image height, object height will always be positive, right? So Mariam and Aisha, this negative sign will cancel this negative. This 15 will
Yes, sir.
cancel the
Yes.
negative 30 by twice. So and 1, it is nothing but you can multiply. So ultimately, the height of the image is coming out to be
Negative.
-2.
-2 centimeters. Denote what minus sign is telling you.
Sir, real and inverted.
Real and
It's
inverted.
basically telling you that the image is downwards. Write this thing like this, downwards.
Yes.
Okay, height is 2 centimeter, but it is below the principal axis. Got it, everybody? This is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer.
Yes.
Now we have found all the three. Okay, this is image, this is inverted nature of image, and this is the height. Okay, so you will write negative 2 centimeter. Got it, everybody? Yes or no? Please tell me. Any doubt so far to anybody? Please tell me.
Sir.
No,
Sure.
sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, okay. Let's do one more question and then we'll end the class. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. Try करना चाहोगे आप लोग? Would you like to try, Aisha and Mariam?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. 1 minute, not more than that, because it's very easy question. So I'm giving you 1 minute. So please try this one.
Sir, done.
Okay. Okay. Tell me the answer, Mariam.
I think it will be formed at infinity.
Okay, Mariam. Very good. What about you, Aisha?
Sir, infinite.
Infinite. Very good. So let's solve it. Very good, both of you. So question is saying that position of the image we need to find out when the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror. So U is given to you as, and one more thing, always write all the values before solving any question, because this is a method to basically solve the answers, right? Solve the questions basically. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And focal length will be negative or positive? Yes, Saishan Mariam.
Negative.
Negative, because concave mirror is present. Got it? So negative 20 centimeter, right?
Yes,
so now we have to just apply the mirror formula. Okay, always write don't apply the formula directly. Don't substitute the value. First write the formula, then substitute the values, because you have to tell you the teacher that which formula you are using. Okay, because sometimes teacher says that you don't I don't know which formula you have used directly, you have substituted and all the things. So just to avoid that cluttering, so just okay, so just write the formula first, because it will take a second, not more than that. So 1 by f is minus 1 by 20 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 20 again, plus of 1 by v. Okay, so 1 by 20 will go on the left side, so it will be 1. This will cancel this ultimately. This is coming out to be 0. So now you will take the reciprocal or inverse of this. So you will find out that 1 by 0 is called as nothing but infinity. Yes or no, Mariam and Aisha?
yes,
0
sir.
by 1 is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 is called infinity. So this is coming out. Sorry. V1 by V2. 1. Sorry, V1. So this is the infinity. Okay. So the image is forming at infinity. So, and we all know this thing from the table. Whenever the object is placed at the focus, image formed at infinity. Focus pe hai. Position of object is focus. Position of image is infinity. Highly enlarged and real and infinite. Clear, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you got my points. Please
Okay.
tell me if it's clear to you. Yes or no, everybody? Mariam, Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Mariam?
No, sir.
Completely clear है ये doubt, ये topic?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. So let's wrap this class here, Aisha and Mariam. Okay. So in the next class onwards, we will do some more numericals based on the convex mirror as well, because this is the only we have done so far for the concave. We will do the convex mirror as well. We will